Hello friends, how are you? I'm super excited one more time, and you can see that I'm back with a new PUBG video, and I'm going to buy Royal Pass Season 5, and it's very interesting, very excited because they have collaborated with Resident Evil 2, the new game which is going to come in January 25. So let's start. You can see that I already have the sufficient amount of UC because I just refilled my account and I have enough, so let's buy. Yeah, why not? So upgrade pass, I'm here. This amount is non-refundable. I know that. Yeah, I know that. Yo, so Royal Elite Royal Pass has been upgraded. So let's collect all. Yes. So I got it next. Whoa, Mini 14. Yes, I was looking for it because I was not having this gun skin, and I got a new dress also. And now I will do one thing, which is spend a total 50 minutes in the game, in which 19 minutes I have spent already. In challenge mission, open 3 air drops, finish in top 3, recover 1500 and finish in top 3 once in any mode. Okay, get a flare gun once in a match for 5 matches, get a level 3 backpack, complete 3 clan trainings, and 2 I have already completed. Add 3 friends, kill 20 enemies with M416. Okay, earn S or above 5 times in any mode. M416, okay, and then land on the top of any building in the school area 3 times. Okay, so a lot of things are there. And the one thing which we have to notice here, that it is for 8 weeks, so just 2 months. Okay, and let's go back, and I have to use something. Yeah, I have to use something for me to reach next 4 levels. So that is here, because I was saving this, and this is the points card from last season, so let's use it. So here we go. So my rank is increased. Now I'm in rank 6 already. So let's collect the other materials also. So I got all these things. I got this, this is gold card for 2 hours. This is for season 6. One RP card I got, UC 30. Oh, this is a muffler, a Sky Ranger scarf, and 1000 this thing. So now I'm already at 6, and I need this to get in the next level. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all these things are there, and this thing is coming. This is up. So a lot of things are there to earn, but it's not like the last one, because in the last one you can see, but here is very dark. It's shady kind of thing, and it's difficult to see what is there. So but anyways, it's interesting. They have added a lot of things there overall, and this is a season 5 frame. A lot of things to earn in this, and I have a lot of inventory now. So my portable closet is here, and this is my portable closet. This is my avatar. This is the BP closet which I bought. So let's use it. New thing, something new, and here it is. You can see, and I can use an scarf also, which looks beautiful. What else I can use? So I can use this one, but this one seems funny, so let's use this one. Yeah, and some glasses. So what glasses I would like to use? Oh yes, we can use this one. Seems awesome. This is my one avatar, for fighting, and this one is the second one for the snow area, and this is the last one which I can use anywhere. So here we go. But if I put this scarf, which I just got it, I think I cannot use this scarf. So this is it, guys. There is a message which I received, and it's showing that all tier have been reset. And what else is there? Nothing else. What else I can show you? So I got something, daily login and everything. I have made my own clan, which about which I'm very happy. And this is the thing, my clan, and I have to collect some rewards. My friends are playing very good. One more person has joined the clan. So overall, it's a wonderful game. I will really recommend you one thing, and if you have started this game recently, I will really recommend you to start playing this because it's really good. I will tell you. No, when you play, you enjoy, and it's good. It's nice, So it's wonderful. You can see that I'm just in the screen, and my point is already getting added. So why not? Why not? Perfect. So thank you so much, guys. And now I will stop the video. I will do other things, but it's good. I'm happy. Not the best the skin because the how can I say, the dress. I'm not a big fan of this dress, but it's okay. Looks nice. Looks nice. Why not? So I have to take all these things. So I got rich silver. I have to collect this also, which is funny. And what else is there? Okay, I have to collect this also. And I'm supposed to collect something here. Yeah, so I reached platinum tier. Now I have to complete silver tier, rich silver tier, which I got already. Rich gold tier. Collect at the end of season. Okay, so this is my status, which is very low, but I have to play again to earn more levels. So if I got something, yes, I got this thing, which looks funny. Wow. And what else I got? I got this season 4 platinum trait. So let's see. Wow, 3000 BP, hero crate into 3. Okay, let's open it. Okay, what else? Shows. And what else? I had all those three things. So what I will do, that I will return so that to get some points. So most of the thing I already had. I can dismantle. No, I cannot dismantle. Why not? Okay, I just dismantled, got nothing. Let's remove these shows. So I just removed, I got something. Okay, I got this, and this. Nothing else. Perfect. Anything else to? No, there is nothing else. I have season 6 card. And that's it. So thank you guys. See you soon. It became a long video. But anyways, it's fun. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you.